Hi again. Today's video will demonstrate the effective use of the search tools in EzStamp, specifically the power search and the search by keyword. Both types of searches allow you to quickly find stamps by topic or descriptions such as bird, flower, train, or even specific items like the Latin names for flowers or their common names for that matter. Let's switch over to EzStamp here. I currently have the Luxembourg database open, and we'll be working with that one for today. If you wanted to find all the Europa stamps of Luxembourg, you can do a search by keyword, or we can use the power search. I'll show you both methods, but first we'll do a power search for Europa. So we'll go to the search menu and run power search, and we'll use the term Europa. Now, there are many options in this window. You can search for all stamps, you can search for only the supply data, you can search for stamps only in your inventory, or everything not in your inventory. For today, I'll search all stamps. And we're going to search any text field that contains the term Europa, and I'm going to show the results in the thumbnail viewer. So we click on Find, and we found 118. And there they are, and we can scroll back and forth and view the ones that we want. Let's select this guy here. Another way that we could have found this stamp is we can do a search for automobile, postal vehicle, all sorts of different things. So let's try that. We'll do a search by power search, and I'll recall the last one. I'm going to say show me all the automobiles. And there it is again. And we'll do one more search. This time we'll search for postal vehicle. And with the power search, it doesn't have to be an exact match. You can just type in a good portion of it. I just typed in postal VEHI. It should find it. And there it is. Okay, so that's how you use the power search. It's quite a useful tool. There's lots of ways that you can use it. You can use multiple terms. That you can say, find all the automobiles that are red, or however you want to choose to search. But it's quite powerful. Let's do the search this time by using the keyword option. And in this case, I'm going to search for all the Europa stamps, and it should find the same ones. And it did. But if you notice here, it gives you a lot more detail as to what search terms are actually have been indexed into EzStamp. And you can it's quite useful sometimes when you're not really sure of what you're looking for. You can kind of scroll back and forth and see what's there. So we could do the same thing and search for automobiles, and it will find them again, same way as we did before. But it's a little bit more useful because you can see the exact terms that you're finding. Let's switch to this guy here. So let's say we wanted to find this particular stamp. There are many ways to find it. One would be do a search by denomination, but for now we're going to do a search by description. So to me this looks like a flower, it's an orchid. This thing looks like a fly, so we can just type different terms and let's see what happens. So let's do a search. I'm going to use the power search, and I'm going to say show me all the flowers. And it found 41 of them, and there's the one that we were looking at. Again, we can do the same thing, and we can search for orchids. And there they are right there. And I also said I think that looked like a fly. So let's just see what that brings up. So I found 5 of them. So there's our fly orchid. I think these other ones are probably because this has something to do with flying or a flying bird. This was a butterfly, and that looks like a flying envelope. So it was a partial match on it, but as you can see, it finds the right one that we need. The important thing to notice is that the keyword search allows you to see what topics and keywords have already been indexed so that you can navigate and know what topics are available to search for. If we've missed any categories for any particular stamp, please let us know and we will certainly add it in the next update. Anyways, experiment and enjoy. That's it for now.